Hey guys, in this video I show you how to make Salaar movie font design. Okay, uh, I will provide the background and texture in our official website techlocquity.com. I will provide the link in description. Go and download it. Uh, yeah, simply click download. Yeah, it will download. Actually, I provided a lot of background and two textures. For this one, you need to use this black color texture. Just I'm going to show a demo to only one. I hope you know how to use pixel app, so you can do a lot of designs. Okay, I need to download texture. Okay, this one. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now for this we're going to use Pubg sans. I'm going to provide this website link in description. Go and download it, guys. Actually, no, I'm not need to download this. Open. I think it's a zip one. I need to extract it. If you don't have default extractor, means kindly download 7-zip from the Play Store and use it the tab to extract these zip files. Where is mf? Yeah, just extracting. For this, okay, where PUBG Sans. Okay, we're going to use Pixel app. Pixel Lab. Okay, if you don't have it, means kindly download it from the Play Store. After click plus from gallery. Yeah, I'm going to do this on tick. I'm going to resize this. Yeah, that's fine. Now again plus. Now text. Double click to edit this new text. Here type your name. And just I'm going to type our YouTube name. Techvlog. Sorry guys. Techvlog YT. Now A to go font. My fonts. Click plus new. PUBG Sans. PUBG Sans.ttf. Last one. Okay. Yeah. Fine guys. I need to center this. So I selected that text layer. Now relative position to center. Yeah, that's it. Now I need to choose texture. Just that's it guys. By this way you can do a Salaar movie font design with your name or your page name. If you want to wish your friends, say happy birthday HBD to that specific person, or 1 year of Salaar, 2 year of Salaar. You can do lot of things. Okay. For more movie font design, stay tuned our YouTube channel. Just save as image. I hope I will get ads. Fine. You can save it to PNG or JPEG. Go with the PNG guys, because PNG it's a good quality one. Okay. For if you want any movie font, means I'm just covering the old only. If you want a new movie font, please let me know. Surely I will cover, but I really don't know when I will cover it. It takes a lot of time because there is n number of movies is there in South India. First time we to cover major Hollywood films and major South Indian films. If you want anything, means please let me know in comment section. Definitely I will provide a background picture, texture and font. Okay, that's it guys. Bye.